I didn't plan to be here. This sunrise was never part of the plan. I was supposed to be on a mountain, but the light wasn't right for that time of year. So I changed direction at the last moment and followed the coast instead. White Park Bay, Mussenden Temple, long roads, cold air, and that quiet feeling you only get before the world wakes up. When I reached Gortmore Viewpoint, I wasn't even sure it would work. Tall trees blocked the horizon, clouds hung low, and the sun was already late. For a moment, I thought I'd missed it. So I did the only thing I could. I stopped waiting and started exploring. I sent the drone up, slowed everything down, played with the settings, let the soft morning light do what it wanted. And then I felt it, warmth on my back. I turned around and the sky exploded. The sun wasn't rising quietly. It was breaking through, fast, powerful, changing color by the second. Gold, orange, deep red. I started filming immediately. The light was massive. The land opened up. Wind turbines cut through the mist like something out of a film. Everything felt cinematic, but completely real. I stood there, watching a statue on the hill, arms raised, facing the light. It looked like Poseidon, or some silent guardian, watching over this edge of the land. I didn't know the story behind it. This trip was unplanned, and somehow, that made it better. No expectations, no rush, just presence. Sometimes the best moments don't happen where you plan to be. They happen where you decide to stay. This was one of those moments.